Hello, my name is William Gregory, and June 8th, I'm giving a talk at Unity Spiritual Community of Central Oregon. Father's Day is at hand, and I've been giving a lot of thought about what is divine masculinity? What is the divine masculine? How can I show up as the divine masculine within my family, within my community, within myself? There's a lot of talk about what masculinity is, to be dominant. There's a lot of talk about what alpha is, to be dominant. If I were to write some I am statements using true alpha, the divine masculine, they would sound something like, I'm so alpha that there's no defeat for me in another's victory. I'm so alpha, there's no victory for me in another's defeat. I am so alpha, I'm only winning when everyone around me feels safe and supported. There is a divine way to manifest as a masculine man in this society, in this culture, and we're going to be talking about that. And as for us men, it's important to consider these things, important to have something to aspire to. And in some ways, this is forgotten, and let us pioneer a new way of it consciously, and so it is.